Basically, what we are going to do today is setting up machines and then some introduction to DevOps.
Okay.
So this Git bash is required only for our Windows machine. If you're using Mac, absolutely there is no need. You should be pretty much comfortable with using your terminal. You may need to probably think about whether you're using bash or your ZSH. So what the first thing that you can do is on Mac you can use terminal, built-in terminal. There, what you can do is you can use bash or ZSH, preferably bash, and you need to configure Brew package manager. Once you do that, you can do a Brew install terraform, Brew install AWS-CLI. So if you go to terraform, it will automatically show you some steps. If you go to this particular link, it is downloading. Okay, I need to go to it should be pretty simple and straightforward. That's what I have done. Install on Linux, install on Mac. Maybe it is there in the bottom. Okay, here. You can also download the file and then keep it over there. That is also another option, but you should be able to do it with by just doing a brew install terraform. If you're running out of some problem, you can contact me. I can help you out getting the installation done.
Okay.
For AWS CLI, it is again same. You can see if you go to Mac OS, the command line installer. You can try this one. Maybe if you want to just get this done, we can get it done. If you could share your screen. How do you want to take it up? It's up to you as of today.
Clear
If you want
screen
to
or
do
not?
installation or you want to go with the class.
I mean, anyway, the Word document is only for Windows, right, Shankar? So it will be helpful for us if one of us can install all the apps and one can
Okay, sure.
go through this video.
Okay, you can share your screen, Ramo, then.
I think I do have a lot of things already installed in my batch. I mean, installed in my Mac.
Okay.
Just, I mean, for the installed applications, we need to do ls
Um,
kernel.
no, can you type bash?
Okay.
We can set bash as a default shell also. That thing we can do it later. So now, can you do a brew install brew brew install terraform? It would configure the brew for you and then get the softwares installed. Is already installed. You can just run terraform, enter. So it will probably show you the usage. That means Terraform is already installed on your laptop. You
Okay.
can say dash dash version will show you the version that is installed. Terraform dash dash version.
Okay.
Your speed in typing, this will also help you to achieve things faster, and you can also use the autocomplete feature, which is
So it says out.
using tab key. So 1.9.8, it is more than enough.
Okay.
Can you do brew install AWS dash CLI? No. AWS hyphen CLI. Correct.
I think it is installed in my Mac, I guess.
Okay, whatever it is saying, right? See, ask, what is it saying? To install AWS CLI, you can. Okay,
Ask
there's no dash. Just use up arrow. Just
Apple.
remove. No. From the terminal, you can use up arrow to reuse the command.
Yeah.
Yeah, just remove the hyphen in the middle. No. No space. No space. Yeah. Instead of you downloading and configuring things, this Brew will take care of installation and configuration of your packages.
Okay.
It's pretty straightforward, and then it is very easy thing to do on Mac. Any package that you want to install, you can do a Brew install.
So in every Mac, Brew is already installed itself. Or we want to install the Brew separately,
It
the
it
command.
may ask you to configure something at some times, but mostly the Brew is already installed because in your Office systems, probably they would have restricted you from getting that installation done. Otherwise, in your personal laptops, it should be available by default.
Okay.
When I am trying, it changes command not found for everything.
Yeah.
Like for
Oh,
Terraform, Brew.
okay, sure. We'll try to look into yours. Can you type
Okay.
AWS dash dash version? It should probably give you the output. If it is giving an output, no CLI, no AWS dash dash version, because AWS is a command that we are going to run.
Okay.
It is giving an output, then your CLI is installed. Okay, your CLI is also installed. One
So,
other thing that you need to do is, can you do a tilt cat tilt space no tilt symbol, just one below the escape key, you have a tilt symbol that you have to yeah, slash
slash
dot ssh slash tab.
tab.
Just press tab twice or thrice. Just want to see whether something is there. Yeah, you already have the public key and private key also here.
Okay.
id underscore rsa dot pub. Can you just do a id underscore rsa dot pub? That you can list it. That you can cat it. Yeah. No. ID. Tab.
Tab.
Yeah, tab. Tab key should autocomplete. Dot and then tab. Dot and tab. Yeah. Okay. Enter. Basically, what we are trying to do is we are trying to make use of the autocomplete feature, which is there by default in all the command line.
Okay.
Even if you install git bash on Windows, it will be automatically available for you, that feature. On Mac, if you are on Bash, then it will work for you. But if you are on ZSH, it may not work for you. So it is always better to go with Bash
Okay.
shell.
So I think it is done, right?
Now your thing is almost done. You don't need to really do much stuff. We can go back to Salim now.
Okay.
Salim, you can share the screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you increase the size of your terminal?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Can you also do a control shift plus plus, command shift plus plus?
Mm.
Yeah. That's more than enough. You can increase the size a little. I mean, not completely, a little bit bigger. Yeah. I think that's more than enough. Yeah. So if you do a brew install, what is it saying? No. It should be small, caps, not capital. Okay, that also brew command not found. Okay. Okay. In the browser, configure brew in Mac. Just type configure brew in Mac.
Mm.
Mac Pro. It should probably give you some hint that you can do it. Hmm. Do one thing, go to ChatGPT because I mean it is not giving you the right instructions, straightforward instructions. Yeah, you can type configure brew on Mac Pro. Okay, you can copy paste that code, whatever is the yeah. Just copy code. Simply do a copy code.
This
Where
one. Okay.
No. Right hand
copy,
side on the right hand side.
right, copy code, right? On right side, on the same code. Yeah,
Correct. Just do a right click over there. Do a control V.
command. Yeah.
Command V, right? Yeah. So basically, it is asking for sudo access. Do you have the password for sudo?
So you need your sudo means your laptop password, Salim.
Yeah,
Laptop
laptops.
password. Yeah, laptop password only.
Correct.
It's not allowing me to enter the password.
No. It is allowing. It won't
Yeah,
show you. It
yeah.
won't show you. That's all.
Type it correctly and enter.
That's a security feature on Linux machines. It doesn't show you that you are typing something.
Okay.
Sorry, try again. Wrong password.
Correct. See, I think it is getting it installed.
Hmm.
Press return. Enter. Enter once again. Yeah, that home brew will be configured. After that, you should be able to do whatever exactly Ramu did it. What exactly is home brew? Any idea? Any understanding?
No,
It is a
Motion.
package manager. You know what is package manager? It is like where you have all the required packages in the server. There is a server which is running. From that server, this brew will download all the required packages whenever you say something like brew install AWS CLI, brew install terraform, brew install
Okay.
Python. It download it for you. Okay, just give me a second. Okay. Now you can just do a control R. I mean, not the command R, control R. You do a reverse search. Yeah. Now type uh, terraform. Simply type terraform. Okay, you have not. Okay, you have not tried. Okay, you can just press Control C for now. You can do a Control C. You can do a brew install terraform. Brew install terraform. Oh, it is still saying. Okay, okay, wait. What is that? Next steps, run these commands on your terminal to home brew to your path. Okay. Can you copy those things?
Which one? This
Uh,
one?
just above you, it says echo, right? Echo slash uses Mohammed Salim. If you just scroll, I mean, yeah, that one. Yes, exactly. Instead of Z profile, after pasting it, just modify it bash underscore profile. Control C, Control V. Instead of Z, just remove it and then bash, say bash underscore profile. Bash underscore profile. Underscore. Underscore profile. Yeah, enter. Copy paste the next line. Again, similarly, dot Z profile, it should be bash underscore profile. Dot bash underscore profile. Enter. And eval, yeah, can you just try that? Enter. I'm not really sure it has done it. Can you do a control D once? Control plus D. Okay, then bash once again. Enter brew, type enter, and then type brew and enter. Brew and enter. Okay, it is still not completed. Uh, do one thing. Can you go to your browser? You just say install on bash on the bottom. Again, you just type another in the chat. Yeah, install on bash terminal. Can you just
Scroll,
scroll up?
scroll.
Okay. Can you type? Can you copy the code and then do it again once again?
This one or the bash one?
The new one. New one. Correct. Yeah, this one. Correct. It is not doing that required stuff. Mhm. Installation successful, it says, but do one thing. Just copy paste the same command, whatever is there. Just try to do that. Run these commands. Yeah, one by one. Enter. Yeah. Enter and then just say type brew and help. Brew help. Okay, now it is installed. Now do a brew install terraform. Then do after this, you can just do a brew install.
No. Wait.
What is it saying? Will not accept any terraform summary. I think terraform is installed now.
Okay.
What is it saying? Running brew cleanup, disable this behavior. Why? Can you type terraform and enter? I think it's probably installing the older version. That is fine. Yeah, it is already installed. Now do a brew install AWS CLI. A single word. AWS CLI. See, even in my Mac, right? Uh,
Mhm.
I I installed it after 1 year after I bought my Mac.
Okay.
It's like, I mean, configuration is easy, but looking at how to configure, how to do it, what to do it, right? I mean, eh, you feel like it is a tough task. Okay, this will go for another 2 minutes at least.
Okay.
By end of this today's class, at least you have all the required softwares.
Okay.
I'll quickly show you just for 5 minutes. You can just type AWS dash dash version.
No,
Dash
dash. No,
no dash
Dash. Okay.
da,
Version. Okay.
hyphen and version. Sometimes my pronunciation looks different. I'll try to correct it. Sure. Okay, that's all. I mean, your thing is done. I'll quickly
Okay.
share the screen and I'll show you some of the topics that we are going to cover.
Okay.
Just for 5-6 minutes because I have another class at 8 o'clock. Okay. See, DevOps is a collaboration activity between. I'll just go for slides so that it is full. Is it visible to you?
Yeah.
So, collaboration activity between development, quality assurance, and operations. See, most of the times, these two people will talk to each other for getting things done. It is like
Okay.
between back and forth between the operations and development team. This team sits in the middle. See, I mean, we take care of getting the environment ready for development. We take care of installing the infrastructure, installing other components for IT operations, configuring, monitoring, installing the patches. So many things that we do. But before it goes to production, right? Before it goes to production, what do we do? Say it is a production server. We cannot directly install in production, right? What do? We do a dev and then test,
Stay. Okay.
test development, staging,
Staging and
and then only we go to production.
production.
So this complete testing is done by quality assurance team.
Quality.
Won't do any testing around this application code or maybe the particular feature. So they require these softwares, these servers to be set up by DevOps guy, especially the infrastructure DevOps guy, who is writing code in Terraform or CloudFormation template. So he is the one who is also managing the infrastructure required for QA team. He is also
Okay.
responsible for creating the infra, setting up the required softwares, tools, and things for development. Say especially uh, GitLab, these kind of softwares. He takes care of installing it. I mean, the DevOps person. DevOps person is also taking care of making sure application is operated by the customer, is being managed, monitored, patches installed, everything. So his responsibility is very high. He has to talk to different people and get everything done. So if you look at this one, it starts from plan, then goes for coding, building, testing, release, and then deploy in the customer environment, operate by customer, monitor by DevOps team, and then again it comes back to planning stage. New feature, bug fixes, all of those things again it will be done. So we'll go for different tools like Jira, how we are using Jira for ticket management, how we use GitLab for CI/CD automation. So how we use Terraform for infrastructure creation and deployment. So all of these tools we'll take a look at it. So I'll again go through it once again tomorrow for you. See, this is what is very, very important. Automation is a key for DevOps. Collaboration is one of the key factor for DevOps because he has to communicate with different people. And monitoring and feedback. Like I said, unless you monitor what is happening inside the system, you will not be able to find out the issues what
Yes,
customer is. Okay, clear.
sure.
Yeah.
What I'll do is I'll probably stop sharing my screen. I'll end the show for now. Um, we can have a quick connect again tomorrow. We'll go through some more slides. Meantime, whatever I have shared with you, please just take a look at those videos. You'll have a better understanding.
Okay. You shared us two videos. You want us to go through those two videos?
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. I forwarded to Salim separately.
Okay, do
Yeah,
it here.
you sent personally. You haven't sent in the group itself.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. Okay. No.
Yeah,
I'll try.
Shankar. Yeah.
Okay, Ramu and Salim. I mean, anytime you have any doubts, you feel free to message me
Okay.
Okay.
and I'll reply to you. So that the communication is always, I mean, with between us, we have to have a proper communication so that, I mean, we can move faster. That's the only thing.
Okay, Shankar.
Okay, Shankar.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
maybe.
Have a
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, bye.
sure. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.